Imagine you're a bumblebee. Your name is Peter and you're buzzing around in the area of Lüneburg.
Oh no, I can't find any nectar and I have been flying around for hours and all I could see were monocultures and almost no flowers or other flying insects. Where are all my friends?
Indeed, evidence indicates a dramatic decline in the global insect and pollinator population. Climate change and human intervention, such as the use of agricultural pesticides and land use intensification, are considered to be important drivers for global pollinator habitat loss and degradation.
Some people may think that's a relief. No more annoying insects. But actually it may result in ecosystem instability and compromises in human nutrition.
We have already internalized our cultural landscapes so much that we consider them natural. Many plants are regarded as unwanted weeds and get removed. Is there any room left for Peter?
Well, extensively managed landscapes, such as traditional orchards, could offer habitats for endangered pollinator species. Because of the minimal use of fertilizers and pesticides, a higher plant diversity is furthered, and thus, food and shelter for a variety of species are provided.
I know an orchard like that. It's near Lüneburg. We do research there for our ecological restoration minor. Let's go there.
Amazing, I will follow them. Wow, what a beautiful place. There are so many different plants and all my friends. But what are those strange humans doing with my plants?
Hey guys, I think I found Trifolium hybridum.
No, I think that's Trifolium patens, but would you still consider it a blossom? It's almost dried up.
214, 215. Oh well, I don't think so. Wait, where was I? Oh, damn it, now I have to start all over again.
There's another plant species I don't know. Maybe it's a Vicia sativa? No wait, Jacqueline said we should look at the leaves as well, so maybe it's...
Oh, there are just so many plant species and they all look alike for our uneducated eyes. I really didn't expect that, but biodiversity is real.
We are in a traditional orchard with 15 apple trees. 5 trees each are surrounded with an understory that either contains legumes, forbs or a mix of both. Now we want to find out which type of understory attracts more pollinators.
Okay, we've been here for 2 hours already, and I don't have that much time left. We should really start sampling now.
Everybody found their tree? It is 11:05. 5 minutes starting now.
What is happening now?
In order to minimize errors and to collect valid data, the sampling should take place under the same weather conditions. So it's best to observe as many trees simultaneously as possible.
Bumblebee!
Oh, Bolivia seems to observe a leguminous understory. So far, they attract a higher number of pollinators, probably because they fix nitrogen from the atmosphere, but this could also be because the forbs did not really flower yet.
Time's up. How did the new version of the protocol work for everybody? It should be fine now, right?
Yeah, it definitely works better than the first version.
It looks like the group has found a well-established way of doing scientific research. But our apprentice researchers forgot one important player interfering their plan.
Oh, it's getting cloudy. I should hide.
Oh come on, today's the 3rd day we scheduled for sampling this week. How can it be raining again?
And pollinators don't fly when it rains, so we can't sample.
And it was so hard to find appointments because of exams, having surgery and being sick.
And when we finally were at the orchard, our team spirit got challenged again.
My bike broke down.
I got lost in the woods.
I got so sunburned I could barely move.
And half a group got eaten by ticks.
But all that couldn't stop us. Working outside was a welcome change to ordinary seminars.
Yeah, and at least because of the rain, we didn't have to water the plants. And look at the orchard, it's thriving.
That's true. And we had so much fun discovering plant species and especially observing pollinators like cute little bumblebees.
Bumblebee!
Yeah, I'm such a cutie.
Everybody tried so hard to make time, and look how far we've come. We've already sampled 6 times and compiled all the data that we've collected.
It looks like we are on a good way to reach our goal, so we are prepared for the data evaluation next semester.
And so far, it looks like we will be able to confirm our hypothesis that leguminous plants attract more pollinators than forbs. Furthermore, we have discovered many new plant species in the understories that have not been planted or sowed.
And they seem to attract many pollinators as well. This might also help us to derive implications for future research about how to confront the pollinator crisis.
It looks like they're onto something.
Turns out, field research is not always as easy and sunny as one might think, and coordinating the work can be quite challenging.
But we were able to deal with those challenges. We learned a lot about doing scientific research, about being patient, and what it means to be part of a team.
And that's not even everything. By doing research at the orchard, we discovered that nature is more diverse than we anticipated.
Peter has found a new home at the orchard in Wendisch-Evern. However, worldwide, millions of buff-tailed bumblebees like Peter and other pollinator species are endangered because of habitat loss and degradation through human intervention.
Please remember that the conservation of hedges, trees, and small bodies of water in agriculture, the preservation and creation of blooming margins, the expansion of organic agriculture, and extensively managed landscapes are important for the survival of pollinators.
You can consider this even for your own backyard.
Plant these, help bees!